Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And if you're a Windows Insider, or if you are thinking of being a Windows Insider eventually, Microsoft is now going to add changes that it mentioned to its Insider rings. So right now, if you go to the Insider program, turn it on, what you get essentially is that you'll see the old names of, the release preview, the beta, dev, Canary channels. And even though they have started to change the build numbers to get experimental builds and all of that, the names have not followed yet. Microsoft says now that they're ready. So in the next weeks, Insider builds and all Windows and Windows machines will have the new naming system. So if on your PC you decide to go to the Insider rings and try it out, the new names will be there. So you'll have experimental and beta and all of that show up. Another promise also with the upcoming changes, Microsoft has said a couple of months ago that you will be able to freely change rings without having to completely reinstall Windows. And because this was a big nuisance right now, people might want sometimes to go to, say, experimental channel or the beta channel to see new things. And then after a certain amount of time, they might be saying, well, I want to get out of, the Insider rings, but you can't. You can't unless you reinstall. So that is a big problem. Now you'll be able to choose which ring and even opt out while you're in the Insider program without having to reinstall. They're just going to, have the Windows change to what you actually want to be. So this is going to be a good thing. And also coming in the next few weeks is with all these changes, you'll have feature flags option. The feature flag option is where you can turn on or off experimental or new features that are in the Insider builds. So if you want to have something that that you don't see, you can go into feature flag, look at the choice of features, and turn on whatever you want to use or see. And if something isn't what you want or you don't like it, you also will be able to turn off some of the new features that arrive in the Insider builds. So this is going to be interesting. And that means that we'll eventually, in the next few weeks, have finally the real deal of the new Insider rings, even though they're already separated and already done. The names and, of course, the new features will be arriving within the next few weeks. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.